If birds had report cards, the black-capped chickadee would be that overachiever who gets straight A's, runs the science club, and still looks adorable doing it. Standing at 5 inches tall, the black-capped chickadee might be small, but don't let that fool you. This bird has a memory that would put your phone's notes app to shame. Imagine hiding thousands of snacks across your backyard, forgetting where half of them are, and then starving. That's not how the chickadee rolls. These feather geniuses stash food in the fall: seeds, insects, tiny hopes and dreams, and then remember exactly where they put each one. We're not talking about somewhere in the bush memory. We're talking under the third leaf to the left of the rock that looks like Uncle Dave kind of memory. Scientists call this behavior scatter hoarding. We call it next-level grocery shopping. Here's the wildest part. Their brains literally grow in the fall. As winter approaches and they begin storing food, their hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory, expands like a gym bro before beach season. It's like their brains know what's coming and decide, yeah, we're gonna need more storage. Meanwhile, I forget where I put my keys 5 minutes ago and don't have the excuse of a seasonally expanding hippocampus. Rude. Let's put things in perspective. Chickadee remembers thousands of hiding spots across a forest, in snow, during a blizzard, with zero GPS. Me forgets why I walked into the kitchen. Honestly, it's a bit humbling. Scientists studying chickadees have to use complex tracking methods and behavioral analysis. Chickadees, they just go, oh, yeah, that seed I hid behind the mossy rock 2 weeks ago, still there. Thanks, me. Even with their birdie brilliance, chickadees remain delightfully humble. They flit around chirping their names. Chickadee-dee-dee. Puff up their feathers like tiny marshmallows, and act like they didn't just mentally outmaneuver 80% of mammals. Also, bonus fact, the more D's in their call, the more danger they sense. So, if you hear chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, it either means there's a hawk nearby, or they just saw your math test score. The black-capped chickadee is basically a flying USB stick with attitude. It's the bird version of Sherlock Holmes, but fluffier and far more polite. So next time you forget your Wi-Fi password for the 8th time, take a moment to salute the chickadee, our tiny, brainy woodland overlord. Do not forget to subscribe.